everyone has been very nice with my sister and we feel wonderful about it. अभी वो बहुत करना बाकी है उनको, लेकिन वो बहुत मेहनत कर रही है, लगन से काम कर रही है. And I think she has got a lot of encouragement from the audience, from everyone, the industry, from everyone, and I think that is a great motivation for her.
If there's anybody who inspires me professionally and personally, it's Karisma. Because she's a perfect human being, what you call a perfect human being. Whereas her values, principles, her professionalism, her dedication, her confidence, everything is just in right proportion. And I think that's what's made her a female icon.
I always tell her कि सबसे important चीज़ है after seeing my career of so many years कि अगर आप sincere काम करो, आप मेहनत और लगन से काम करो, don't think of any other things. अपना ही अपने में रहो और अपना करके आप निकल जाओ. कोई controversy में नहीं, manipulation में नहीं, तो अच्छा ही होगा.